not the Mashaba Empire crumbling right before our eyes. Nsovo, nta BM, banyaka BM, nta BM abuti. No one's gonna judge you. No one's gonna judge you. You did not buy it on Black Friday, so we will understand when you return it. Patung, nsovo, ngata. Yan amukela kunkqubo yami bomntu abakadad bomntu abakagogo bomntu abaka-auntie bomntu abakasisi. I am Sims and it's at the right Sims on Instagram, so please follow your sister. I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. Here is the number on your screen down below. Mtware Kamukhala. It is the last day of November. You guys, yabona nina, no one has money like you guys. You guys literally have money. Why were the shops so full on Black Friday? But you guys come here on social media, there's no Black Friday, we don't believe in everything was full, every mall was packed, every parking lot spot was taken. Nina, yabona, if someone can compete with you, they will stay on the corner without Magwinya. Luna, I don't trust you. So you guys are telling me, Khori, there's no year-end function for me? No, just for me. I did a party for you. Now there's no party for me. Party for one. No Christmas, go away, nothing. Management. Okay. Just watch the ads. Just watch the ads. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Then we will be square up. We will be even. Yenina. Remember when Unsov used to feed his dog steak for lunch? Remember when he had a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday car? Remember when life was so big, so decamal, that all we could do was sit there on our Instagram and just be in awe and pray and hope and wish? Oh, Sana, I'm not enjoying this, but I'm looking at this as another lesson that not all that glitters on social media is gold. Bantabasekaya. Ne? Currently, as we speak, we have seen Gorgeous Mbali's store being closed down at Menden Mall. We have seen her employees take her to the CCMA over unpaid salaries. And we have seen her be on a journey to find herself with her creator. And now she's selling her bags. Her being an influencer is a portal to darkness. She's just done with that life of luxury, and she can't believe she was once that girl that was the mother of Nsovo's child, Gorgeous Mbali. Guys, do you know before Mbali was an influencer, she was in the army? Yes, SANDF. She was Wanyana military. Yeah, camouflage. Ibuzo Kumbali. Not the one that we wear for Destiny's Child. I'm a survivor. The real one of forested trees. What? Do. Yeah. Mbali. Wanyana army. And then obviously, she became Wanyana Ola influencer. Up there. Chanel, Dior, Louis Vuitton. Huh. But now she wants nothing to do with that. Yena, she is one with the Bible now. And all those things. One side. And then now let's come to her man, Unsovo. Unsovo! Where? You remember when he bought that BMW orange and they want it. Their bank. Their bank. Repossession, Kesanalwa. But they can't repossess it because why? He's nowhere to be found. He's invincible, unfindable. The Nsovo has now become the emperor, the conqueror, the lion, the champion. Is gone. Are you looking for extra ways to make money besides body forexy, body remote worky, body in? Yeah. Did you know that you can become a host on Airbnb without owning property? Yes, guys. Googs Holdings even has a free booklet that you can go through and you can read. If you want it, reach out in the link in the description box down below. And if you are interested in the Airbnb business, Mamela. They have got you covered. All you have to do is also sign up in the description box down below. There is a link for you to go and sign up. Show your interest, Mamela. Sana, about 2026, you getting a car, you getting a car, you getting a car. No, but don't buy cars that you can't afford. Please don't. I said making extra money. I did not say we are going to do the heist. Nah, yes. They have even gone as far as yini, when you want yini, the documentation warrant. They want to get a warrant, that whole paper trail work to repossess the car. Hungata, hungata, guys, hungata, hobisi. Guys, let me tell you, in this journey of life, and why social media to me is just the platform to like have fun and not take anything seriously. Okay. Yabana, after we've all been through COVID-19 and we all suffered so much financially, mentally, physically, like we lost stuff. We lost a lot of things. So, me, someone returning the cars, returning the purses, returning the house, whatever, downgrading your life, I don't even think it's downgrading. It's literally peace of mind because son, all these things, like they come and go. Honestly, these things in life come and go. You can always start over. As long as your breath is attached to your flesh, you can always start over. Okay? So there's no need. Aqua need. Yes, we will talk about it, but it's only for 3 seconds. Like now, Nsovo, we are talking about you. It's only for 3 seconds. Give it back. When you return legally this time, not with our tax man, but when you return, you'll even buy a fly machine. As long as it's not with our tax man, we have no problems with you, Nsovo. Just give Caesar what belongs to Caesar. Manje uyadotsha, uyabaleka. So driver Michael Knight wena. Uwe, night give yourself peace of mind. Give yourself piece of peace. Eh? Sana, no one sees what you eat for breakfast, lunch, or supper unless you're the one taking the picture and showing it to us. No one sees if you sleep on 100 thread sheets or 200 sheets. No one sees unless you show us. Everything we see is against our will, but because of your doing. So now, even if you take it back, we won't see that you don't have it anymore. Give back. I can't. I lost. I'm sure you guys also relate. How many things did you lose? Like, especially, let's just go, especially between 2020 and 2023. How much have you guys lost? Did you die? No, because why? Your flesh and breath were attached. So what? You were a human, and what you do? You made a plan. Yeah? I went from living in a luxury apartment to going to live in a back room with my in-laws, to losing my job. I was pregnant with my professor at the time. And guess what God did for me? God blew up my YouTube channel during that time. God spreaded me all over on social media. I was known for the girl with the red room. And we had so much fun. And guess who was in my comment section? People also going through stuff. So you're not the only one. And probably your story will become someone else's push to also be like, okay, I don't need to hold on to these things. Because at the end of the day, they are literally just things. Like, please listen to me. Ne? Yeah, guys, stop stressing yourself, man, with these things of impressing social media. It's not real. Once you put your phone in the charger and you go outside, you see how there's life to be lived. So please, I can't be your big sister. Ngimncane. Nginenkinga zami. Okay? Please. I must always find ways of how to sleep to preserve my hair. Now I must come here and advise you. Ningangibhori. No.